Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is distribution and management of water. So students, let us begin. Water on our planet is abundant. As much as 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water. But even though we have such high amount of water, the distribution of the water is quite uneven due to the rainfall and climatic conditions. Let us take some examples from India itself. The state of Rajasthan receives very less rainfall, whereas the state of Meghalaya in the northeast receives very high rainfall. Therefore, we can say that one part of India faces floods, while the other part suffers from drought. So this is the kind of unevenness we are talking about when it comes to the distribution of water. Students, due to this reason, the water needs to be managed properly. It is a very important and necessary resource. And we have to make sure that everyone gets access to adequate amount of water throughout the country. One method by which water can be saved is rainwater harvesting. Students, this is a technique in which the rainwater, which usually goes to waste, is captured and it is stored. It may be stored in water tanks to be used for domestic purposes, or it may even be used to replenish the groundwater level on the earth. Moving on, students, also another method to store water is a Bowri. Student, a Bowri is a very traditional and old practice of storing water. Some other methods of saving water is drip irrigation. Students, sprinkler type of irrigation systems, they are very useful, but they also waste a lot of water. Whereas in drip irrigation, this is a technique of watering the plants by using very narrow tubings which deliver water drop by drop to the roots of the plant. In this way, the plants get enough water and no water is wasted.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.